Yeah, it's your boy, Mr. Belvy. Y'all know what's up, man. I'm just out kicking in and shit with the team, you know what I'm saying? FNR fucking with Stoner Vision, my nigga Eddie Allen. Y'all better fuck with it, cause you're gonna be sorry if you don't. Nigga, we out here making it shake, nigga, behind the scenes of the video shoot, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't got the whip, you know what I'm saying? I ain't getting out to it yet. I'm about to put the 20s on the team up, candy dripping. Summertime, y'all catch me out in the wind, man. We out here just having fun and shit, man. Living life, bro.
Oh, yeah?
This shit's nothing, man.
Shit, what you sipping on?
Shit, you know what we on, bro. 1800, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even sipping on myself, too. The whole team sipping out this
Oh, yeah?
So we kicking it, man. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get out this bitch and, you know what I'm saying? Introduce y'all to my clique. Come here, Freddie B one time, man. This my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Big Cuz. You know what I'm saying? From the Slowdown. He you know what I'm saying? He direct that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we out here. He part of FNR, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, we doing big things. This is my nigga Midnight.
Midnight nigga in the building, nigga. At night, holler at me at night, nigga. What's good, nigga?
Yep.
Fuck with us, FNR business,
My people too, bro.
Kicking the door, man.
And right here, the nigga y'all see the truth. I always in the videos.
That's my nigga, Dice King.
Dice
King.
Hey, let me say one thing.
Dice King.
When you ready to lose some money, come see this nigga right here in the dice game. He gonna bust your ass.
I fuck with him.
You know what I'm saying?
Stoner Vision.
And
Link up.
I got my nigga B-Boy too,
Link
though.
up.
He fucking with us. He on the phone. Get this nigga one time while he handle business.
He cuffing?
He on his manager shit, you know what I'm saying?
Is he cuffing?
Making deals.
Okay.
Booking the show or something.
Okay, booking the show.
We out here.
Yeah, man, we in the building, man. FNR, man. Kicking the door, man.
This is my nigga right here, bro.
Kicking it, man.
We do this shit
Get
for
this
real,
money,
bro.
man, all day.
All the niggas that ain't fucking with us gonna regret it.
Y'all gonna be salty as hell. Niggas going through so many bottles, man. It don't even make sense.
Fuck it.
That's a mini 1800.
We in the hood,
Fuck
man.
it.
Stay in the hood, nigga. Live a
Stay
life.
simping.
Every
Can
day.
Stoner Vision have a shot?
Stoner Vision can't have a shot.
It's all love.
Shooting this shit.
It's all love, man.
Niggas on the business, cause wait a minute, he always working, bro. I want y'all see my nigga one time, man, in the
You
video.
got light on you. I'm gonna get Stoner Vision.
My nigga Stoner Vision, bro. My nigga always shooting the videos, working.
I was on the phone handling some business. Really, I had some stuff going on. It was a very important moment in my life. It just happened to me, you know.
Big cush bag, though. Niggas do
It's
what
real
they do,
important, look,
though, man.
because I just found my pops after like 28 years, right?
Hell yeah,
He just called me on the phone from Texas, right? Oh yeah.
real shit.
Real talk, man. It's real shit right here on the phone, man.
Get in here, Fred.
So that's what took me so long. That's what I was doing on the phone, man. You know, pops called me from Texas. You know, good moment, beautiful moment. It's all good, you know.
Real talk.
You know, I got you, man. You know.
So I want to ask you.
FNR, my fault. I mean to cut you off. This FNR, these my boys. I missed a little photo shoot. I missed a little videos, but we here.
Yeah.
We just dropped our little thing. We do this.
Get
all
money.
So I want to ask y'all a question right quick, man. What's y'all plans? What's y'all plans in the game? Like what y'all trying to do? Like what's y'all moving in
Sky's
like?
the limit, man. You know how we do, K. Sky's the limit for us. You know, and I know,
we gonna get this money,
everybody
man.
else probably feel the same
We
way.
gonna get these monies, man.
So it's unpredictable where we gonna be. But I know it ain't gonna be at the bottom. I do know that.
Okay.
The same niggas that we done grew up with and the same niggas that we fuck with now is the same niggas that we gonna continue to fuck with. Like, it's a close knit kind of affair, know what I mean? We ain't fucking with a lot of y'all fuck niggas, know what I mean?
That's
No
what's up.
niggas is selfish. Everybody play they fucking role.
Hell yeah,
That's how
FNR, we in the building.
Staple, my nigga. FNR.
Back to your nigga Midnight.
The Midnight in the building. Man, let these niggas know what's up with you, bro. Cause
Listen, man, we getting this money.
let these niggas know what's up, bro. Let them know about the group album we got.
Midnight at midnight.
Holla at
Let
me.
me say something right quick though. My nigga Fairboy ain't here, but we fuck with you, nigga. That long way.
Get
So
your ass back in there,
get your ass
nigga.
back here. Get your money too. At
Know
the
where
same
we
time.
at, nigga.
Nigga, get on this shit though. We chasing our own dreams. Some other dreams to the way, bro. We gotta get this money.
Back to Midnight, though. Listen, though, man. We get this money, y'all. We have fun every day. Pop bottles. Do what we do, man. We kicking it, man. It's my nigga Freddie, man. Freddie B, man. Niggas ain't fucking with us, man. We doing this music and get this money and fucking these hoes at the same damn time, man. So
It don't matter though. Because I'm about to roll out. Next time. Who next?
FNR?
we in the business, man.
Truth would pack your ass on dice so bad, you would have to go to a fucking ATM and withdraw
I got one more
anything.
thing to say too. Y'all be on the lookout, all the fans. Be on the lookout for the group album coming out, Expendables, with my nigga Midnight, Fat Boy, B-Boy, and Mr. Belvedere. And you know what I'm saying? I got my
Got
people,
2 singles on there,
bitch.
Soldier.
We got that dropping, and I got my solo dropping. And we got a couple singles, more videos by Trey Deuce,
all got
and my
family,
nigga Sonar Vision.
He fucking with us.